7 things Garinagu should know about their history. 1. The genesis of Garinagu starts in Euromene or St. Vincent, where Africans who came on their own in 1310 mixed with Arawak-Kalina Carib indigenous peoples prior to the slave trade. 2. The British exiled Garinagu first from the island of Balaso, where they were imprisoned for almost a year, then taken to Betkia in 11 ships until they reached Rotan on April 12, 1797. 3. Spanish last names were given to Garifuna people when being christened by Spaniard Catholics as a requirement to move to mainland Trujillo from the Bay Islands. 4. Garifuna people were never slaved. 5. Garifuna language is made up of less than 1% African, and it's an Arawak-based language. 6. Garifuna still practice their own spirituality, but adopted various religions but mainly Catholicism. 7. There are several musical genres and dances such as punta, paranda, hanu, gunche, wenaragua, chumba, etc.,